Are you ready to dance with me tonight? Fly high.
Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to generate personalized Christmas songs for your loved ones using Song AI Farm, and then integrate them seamlessly with Suno AI Music Generator. Let's start by heading over to the studio right here. You'll immediately notice the Holiday Special section. It's designed specifically for crafting those festive tunes. Just click Start Creating to begin a new project. On the New Project screen, I make sure to select the Holiday Special Performance Mode. I'll enter the names of my loved ones. For this song, it's Justin, Bella, Mum, and Dad. The occasion is already set to Christmas, but you can always pick other options, like New Year if you wish. I'll keep the song language as English for now, but there are many other languages to choose from. And of course, I want them to know who sent this special gift, so I'll add the Atwood family in the From field. For this family Christmas song, I think an adult female voice would be perfect. With all the details set, I simply click Create Christmas Song Gift. And there it is. My personalized song has been generated. I can see the full lyrics that Song AI Farm created. It's truly incredible how well it captures the festive spirit. I also get a detailed style prompt and even suggested YouTube titles and descriptions. To use this with Suno, I first copy the style prompt. And I can even shorten it if I want to experiment with different vibes. Now I'll switch over to Suno. In the custom mode, I'll paste the copied style prompt directly into the styles section. Then I jump back to Song AI Farm, copy all the generated lyrics, and paste them into Suno's lyrics field. With just a click of Create in Suno, our AI-powered Christmas song starts coming to life. Suno quickly generates 2 unique versions based on the lyrics and style I provided. Let's take a listen to the first one. Opening the song page allows me to listen along and see the lyrics highlight as they're sung.
The snow is falling soft and deep. Secrets that the season keeps. But in our hearts a fire burns so bright, guiding us through winter's night. Another year, another grace, a loving smile on every face. And as the carols fill the air, we know this love is ours to share. Oh, Justin, Bella, Mom and Dad, the best Christmas we've
It's truly a magical experience to hear the personalized song. And here's the second version, giving us another fantastic option.
The snow is falling soft and deep. Secrets that the season keeps. But in our hearts a fire burns so bright, guiding us through winter's night. Another year, another grace, a loving smile on every face.
But what if I want an even more specific dedication? Let's go back to Song AI Farm and create another personalized song. This time, under Genre/Vibe, I'll choose Custom Style and type in Sweet Song Dedication. This gives the AI a clear direction. I'll keep the voice and language settings. Now for the Creative Brief/Story section. This is where I can pour in all the heartfelt details. I'll write, I want to dedicate a song to my dad on this Christmas. I want to show how much he has done for us as a family. his name is David. The more detail, the more personal the song will be. Then I click Create. Song AI Farm is now deeply analyzing my brief to craft a song that truly resonates. The song is generated, look at that. The title automatically updated to My Christmas Gift for David. Song AI Farm even used David's name within the lyrics, making it incredibly special. I'll quickly grab the updated style prompt for this song. Over in Suno, I'll clear the old style and paste the new one. And of course, copy these unique lyrics. Then, I'll paste the lyrics for David's song into Suno. I'll add the song title here as well, My Christmas Gift for David, and hit Create again to generate this special dedication. Suno quickly produces 2 wonderful versions for My Christmas Gift for David. Let's hear how this heartfelt dedication turned out.
Another Christmas lights up the town. Snowflakes are gently falling down. And in this quiet, sacred space, I see the warmth upon your face.
It's absolutely beautiful.
David, you've always been. Another Christmas lights up the town.
The second version also captures the emotion perfectly. Now for the ultimate presentation, Song AI Farm allows you to create a gift card PDF for your generated songs. To make it extra special, I can take the direct link from my generated song in Suno and paste it right into the gift card section on Song AI Farm. Imagine the smiles when your loved ones receive a personalized Christmas song like this. Song AI Farm truly makes creating unique musical gifts a breeze. Try it out this holiday season and create unforgettable memories. See ya!